Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and hard disk drive assembly. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the touchpad board. Remove the three 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board bracket to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board bracket off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Peel back the mylar that secures the touchpad board to the top cover. Remove the three 2mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board off of the alignment pins and remove the retention tab from under the keyboard bracket. Remove the touchpad board. Reverse this procedure to install the touchpad board.